Finally got in the city. Okay, so it got cold really fast. And even though I'm wearing coats, I feel like I'm underdressed. Well, I'm wearing sweater and coat. I don't know why I'm like, I'm still cold, maybe because it's wet and it just gets to your bones. Okay, so it's 10 past 12 right now, and I'm gonna go and meet up with somebody. And then I wanna go to CB2, and I wanna go to 57th Street, just down 57th Street to all these shops over there, Louis Vuitton, Miu Miu, Chanel, whatever is there, like whole row of the luxury stores. I'm after a few items. I'll show you when I get them, if I get them. And then I'm gonna go up to Madison Avenue. I have not walked that way for a long time. I'm gonna see what's going on there and check out shops over there as well. Okay, so let's go then. I made a lot of damage, like a lot of damage. I clearly have an addiction, and I don't know what to do about this. None of it was planned except one, almost planned. I'll explain when I unbox it. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I got in this video, and because there are 2 bags there, which I'm gonna add to my bag collection, and then I can film updated bag collection. Okay, I do apologize for the lighting, but I'm not at home right now. I'm in our apartment in Manhattan, and I don't have my equipment here. Equipment meaning lighting and stuff. So it's gonna be dark. Okay, as I showed you, I did quite a damage. I don't know, like you guys, all the time I feel guilty. I don't know why I feel guilty. I don't know. And but after a while that guilt goes away. So what should I start with? So I'm gonna tell you what I have. I have 2 bags, pair of shoes, and small leather goods. So I'm gonna start with small leather good from Louis Vuitton. And this is their holiday packaging, which is pretty cute. It's like navy blue. This Louis Vuitton. Let's see what I got. I am loving men's Louis Vuitton. I always loved it. I feel like they have a lot of fun stuff. So whenever I can, I buy something from men's. I mean, whenever I like something, hold on. Is it, yeah. Okay, so let me show what I have here. By the way, you probably, I didn't film it because you probably saw that image of Louis Vuitton wrapped, decorated as a big gift box, right? And I thought it's just their Christmas decoration. Apparently not. Apparently they moved across the street temporarily. I asked for 5-7 years until they're renovating their main flagship store. So I was like, before I realized that, I was like walking around there like original store, walking around the gift box. I couldn't find the entrance until I saw the sign, and blind me, I don't know how I wouldn't see the giant Louis Vuitton sign on a store across the street. I did see giraffe though. I think they had giraffe on a building, but I didn't realize it Louis Vuitton store. So yeah, so I went inside. It was very, very busy, very busy. A lot of holiday stuff, all those animated collection. So I went there originally for one item from dog collection, which I almost got online. I don't know. It was available online. I was placed in cart, and then somehow it disappeared from my cart. I don't know. So since then it's unavailable. And I wanted to get that. They didn't have that. They checked for me. It's sold out in country. No, they had one in California, but it wasn't available to order. Yeah, we couldn't order, probably because of high demand. But while there, I saw this, which I like it, if not as more than the other one, but as equally as the other one. Okay, this is basically, it's a charm, but it's like a little zippy pouch. Again, it's from men's collection. You can unzip it here, and I just wonder what possibly can fit there. Not much. Well, maybe AirPods not gonna fit in there. Maybe some cash. Yeah, cash will fit there, rolled up. Or pills. Or I don't know what else. This is basically this space here. And it's actually comes with silver hardware, which is good for a change, even though, to be honest, all Louis Vuitton bags, not all of them. My Alma, black Alma in leather, it has silver hardware. But all other ones are gold hardware. I didn't think about that, but it's not gonna prevent me wearing it. It's a frog, a nice bright yellow color. Okay, So that's the first thing I got. And then I went, actually, sorry, first I went here. Not in Louis Vuitton, but they're like next to each other. Well, they're next to each other. And originally I want this. This is a bag. I want as the same style, but in different material. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, it has that nice raincoat. Dust bag. It's not everybody's cup of tea. And I'll explain you in a minute. Okay. So, I got this bag, probably saw this bag, saw that style, in corduroy. I don't think if I have anything in corduroy in my wardrobe, but for some reason I like this combination very, very much. Okay, so I was after the same bag but in leather. And I saw the one in leather and color I wanted brown color, brown leather. They had it. But when I tried it on me, I don't know, I just didn't like it. It was the same size, even though I was even like telling seller associate, she was telling me it's the same size. I go, no, it's not, this is smaller. But when we put them together, it was the same size, but for some reason this looks smaller. Maybe because it has that contrasting leather piping around. Okay, and price between leather and this one, it's not that great. It's like $800 probably. This bag was, I think, $3,040. And you would think, listen, you would be better off with a leather bag, right? Just $800 more. But I didn't like it. I just didn't like it. But I liked this one, and it's not like it's my first bag I'm buying, and then I would probably, I wouldn't suggest to buy this as your first designer bag, no. But I do have a lot of leather bags, and this, I don't have anything in tweed. No, I do have bags in denim, but not in corduroy. And I didn't get it because it's a corduroy. No, I just like the look. I just like this color combination. This is a little bit like greenish khaki brown. This is camel brown. I like the combination. And you know, this comes, and the thing is, those style bags come in this size, and they go this big. So it's pretty big jump. I wish they had something like a little bit smaller than this. I think in leather it would look better. Okay, so it has this thing, and let me show you what's inside. And inside are giant papers. Oh, there are two zip compartments. So it opens pretty wide, which I love. I hate when you, like in Speedy, for example, like the opening is pretty tight. And this is leather. This all bottom is leather. Handles are leather. And Miu Miu logo is in leather. And it's a gold, what do you call it, hardware, and it has a little thing here which you can tie up, but I am not gonna do it. Let's see how it looks on me. I like that it's zipped, big plus, and it just, what was that? Horse. Oh my God, it's my slippers. I almost got, I almost had a heart attack. There, it was my sleep, they were my slippers. I forgot there was the music. They're musical slippers. Okay, so let me show you on me. I'm a little bit slow because I'm a little bit tired. Not a little bit, I'm very tired. So, okay, so it's, you can do it on over the shoulder. It's enough room. It's pretty long. So this is good. And you can do it handheld or on a crook of your arm. Or on a crook of your arm. Yeah, very nice. Very casual. Yeah, it's like, it is casual bag. It's, I would say it's like sport chic or like casual chic. I have to take them off, I'm sorry. I have to take them off. All right. Okay, forgive me, I'm a little bit slow because I'm just really tired. Okay, now let's move on to Chanel. So, this is totally unexpected. I even didn't want to go in, and I shouldn't have got in. I'm gonna start with the shoes. As you can see, they also gave me raincoats. Okay, this is my new pair of shoes. The only thing good is that not so long ago I had my the real concierge coming in and I consigned a few items. If they sell well, I kind of gonna compensate what I spent today. Okay. Pair of, it's not sling back, it has a heel. How do you call this type of shoe? Are they Mary Janes or not? But I really love them. They're gonna be good. As you know, probably I don't wear high heels, so most of my shoes are flat, but to have this kind of heel, to have this kind of heel is nice, like to wear it with to go out to theater, even to opera. I like that it's shiny. It's a patent leather. Is it patent leather or just shiny leather? Okay, it's a little CC here. Yeah, not very flashy or logo-y, kind of discreet. And I got it in size 40. And the thing is, I am size 40 in Chanel, usually, especially in ballet flats. But these were a little bit big on me, so I asked for 39 and I didn't have it, so I decided to take it anyway because they were last in my size. I'm gonna put it on. You know, probably if I tighter. Now the song not gonna get out of my head. Alrighty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what you can see there. Alright, obviously I'm gonna show you closer. So I start filming and I untied the bow and then realized camera wasn't on. So I cannot put it back like they do, so I'm not gonna bother. Okay, let's see what I have here. Yep. I got, oh my God, what's the name of it? The seller associate told me like a million times the name. By the way, I want to run out to CB2 and guess what I'm taking with me? New bag. Yeah, I just can't wait. Okay, where's the tag? So there's a little pocket here. There's a little pocket here. Did they take tag? It's no pockets inside, by the way, just one space. But what I'm trying to find, I'm trying to find the name because this bag has a name. Very interesting. Hold up. Okay, so tag was so tag was in my bag. Okay, so officially, well, what it says here, camera case. But not what he told me. So it was $5,900. So it's not crazy $10,000 price. Does receipt has a name? No, it also says camera bag. But he told me it called something there's a preppy word in it, okay? So I'm really excited about this bag. It's everyday casual bag. You can do over the shoulder, you can do crossbody, and the gold is, hardware is champagne gold, and it's not squeaking. Love pockets on the bag, so I'm very happy about this bag. This kind of bag, this is gonna be my everyday bag. I mean, even running errands bag. It's zipped, it's light. Let's see what color is. Oh, black. Thank God it's black inside. I kind of don't like red linings they do on some bags. I don't know why. Oh my God, very happy. It was another bag there. It was also, I liked it. Also was seasonal. Believe it or not, I don't have Chanel top handle bag. All my bags, I have 2 classic ones. No, I have 4 classic. Those are minis. One is small and one is jumbo out of classic. And I have top handle backpack bag. It's actually bag in form of a backpack, but not top handle. Okay, but I wanted this more. Okay, another black bag in my collection. Okay, guys, now I have no excuse not to do my updated collection bag video. I'm probably gonna break it down by brands. Otherwise, it's gonna be very, very long and tiresome video. I don't know how you guys, but I cannot watch very long videos. I usually break them down and stop and continue watching some other time. And my first video probably gonna be Louis Vuitton collection, and it's gonna be not just bags, it's gonna be SLGs too. I also wanted to include belts and everything else, but then no, it's gonna be just bags and SLGs. Okay, guys, what do you think about my purchases? Let me know, and comment below what you think. If you're not subscribed to me yet, subscribe if you want to, of course. Don't forget to press that bell notification button so you can get notified every time I post a video, because I do not have set schedule. If you follow me, if you already following me, thank you so much. And follow me on Instagram, the same name, Love Me Some Vlogs. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to CB2. I still wanna get some more decor for this apartment. I mean, we have this apartment for 7 years, and it's still work in progress. You can tell it's pretty bare. Yes, I want to see what they have there, since I'm staying overnight today, so I don't have to rush. And also I might pop up in Bloomingdale's across the street. We'll see if I don't get too tired.